Hello viewers, let's see how we can simplify this. We are going to rationalize this. So now from here I'm going to rewrite this as root 3 minus this root 12 is same thing as having 4 times 3 inside the radical sign. Root 3 minus same thing here, 4 times 3. So we have plus here. So now we're going to have root 3 minus, now taking the square root of 4, we're going to have 2. We're going to leave 3 inside, then divide by root 3, then plus the same thing, we'll take the square root of 4, then we'll leave the 3 inside the root. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is to rationalize. So we're going to rationalize this denominator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So what do we mean by conjugate? We are just going to change this positive to negative. So root 3 minus 2 root 3, then root 3 minus 2 root 3. So that is the conjugate of what? Of the denominator. So now from here, when you have something like root a times root a, have it in mind that this is going to give us a, it's going to give us a. Okay, it's going to give us a. So now here root 3 times root 3 is going to give us 3 according to what we did here. So now here root 3 times minus 2 root 3, we're going to have minus 2. But you know, root 3 will multiply root 3, which will give us 3. So multiply by 3. Then look at this. We pick this second one, minus 2 times this. We are going to have minus 2. Then into bracket, root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. According to this, we have 3. Then root 2 root 3 times this, we're going to have plus, because minus times minus will give us plus. Then 2 times 2, we are going to have 4. Multiply by root 3 times root 3. Using this same fact, we're going to have 3. Then divided by, now here root 3 times root 3 is going to give us, okay, before that, here, since we are multiplying this, we're going to use a difference of two squares that says a minus b, a plus b will always give us a squared minus b squared. So whenever you see this, you can see they are almost the same. The only thing that is different, that make it different, is what is this sign in between. So the same thing happens here. We have plus here, we have minus here, so which take the form of this. So therefore we are going to write this in this form. So this is going to be root 3 all squared minus 2 root 3 all squared. Okay, so from there we're going to have 3 minus 2 times 3, it is going to be minus 6. The same thing here, minus 6, and this will be plus 12. Then divided by, then we have this square, we cancel the square root, we have 3 minus this square, we cancel, sorry, this square will affect this, we're going to have 2 to the power of 2. Then this square will cancel out this square root, we're going to have multiplied by 3. So now from there we have 3 minus 6 that will give us minus 12 plus 12, then divided by 3 minus 2 raised to power 2, 4 times 3, we have 12. So now we have this, we cancel this, we're going to have 3, then divided by 3 minus 12, that gives us minus 9. So minus 9. Now that will give us minus 9. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, we have 3. So we have the final answer to be minus 1 over 3. So therefore we have what? We have a solution here to be minus 1 over 3. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your colleagues. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you. Bye bye.